Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the app now. First, sign in with your Zoom account or SSO so your profile and settings sync. This avoids last-minute logins. Once done, grant camera and microphone permissions so the meeting can see and hear you. Make sure your tablet is on a stable Wi-Fi or 4G network and above 30% battery. These steps reduce interruptions and let you join immediately when you tap Join or Start a Meeting. Now join or start the meeting. If you have an invite, paste the link or enter the meeting ID and display name. That gets you into the room fast. Next, choose audio, use device audio for clarity and switch to dial-in only if network issues arise. Then pick your camera, front for face, rear for showing objects. After confirming video and audio choices, tap Join. These selections control what others see and hear and prevent awkward switches mid-meeting. Finally, control the meeting from the toolbar. Tap Mute when not speaking and stop video if you want privacy. Swipe to access chat, participants, and reactions so you can follow without interrupting. To present, tap Share and allow screen sharing. Choose a specific app or your full screen for clarity. When the meeting ends, tap Leave or End Meeting. If something goes wrong, force close the app, reconnect Wi-Fi, and restart the tablet. That sequence clears most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.